Installing Go. In the last video, you learned what Go is and why it is great. Now it is time to install Go and write your first program. This tutorial covers installation on macOS, Linux, and Windows. Before installing anything, you can try Go in your browser. The Go playground at play.go.dev lets you write and run Go code online. This is great for quick experiments. On macOS, the easiest way is Homebrew. Just run brew install Go. On Linux, download the tar file from go.dev and extract it. On Windows, download and run the MSI installer. After installation, run Go version in your terminal. You should see something like Go version Go 1.24 with your operating system. This confirms Go is installed correctly. VS Code is the most popular editor for Go. Install the Go extension by the Go team at Google. It gives you code completion, automatic imports, error checking, and formatting on save. After installing the extension, open the command palette and run Go install update tools. Click Select All and OK. This installs GOPATH and other tools the extension needs. Every Go project starts with a module. Create a folder, then run Go mod init with your project name. This creates a go.mod file that tracks your module name and dependencies. Here is the classic Hello World in Go. Package main is the entry point. Import fmt loads the printing package. The main function runs first. fmt println prints text to the screen. Run your program with go run main.go. This compiles and runs in one step. To create a permanent binary, use go build. You can copy that binary to any machine and run it without Go installed. The fmt package has several printing functions. Println adds a new line. Printf uses format verbs like %s for strings and %d for integers. Sprint formats without printing. The most common format verbs are %s for strings, %d for integers, %f for floats, and %v for any value. The %v verb works with any type and prints a reasonable default. You can read user input with fmt scan. The ampersand before the variable gives scan the memory location to store input. For full lines with spaces, use bufio scanner instead. Here are the Go commands you will use every day. Go run compiles and executes. Go build creates a binary. Go mod init starts a module. Go fmt formats your code. Go test runs tests. Go fmt is very important. Go has one official code style. Every Go developer uses the same formatting. No arguments about tabs versus spaces. Just run Go fmt and your code matches everyone else. In Go, unused imports cause a compile error. Unused variables also cause errors. This keeps your code clean. VS Code removes unused imports automatically when you save. Exported names in Go start with a capital letter. fmt println works because p is uppercase. If you write lowercase println, it will not compile. Capital means public, lowercase means private. Here is a complete example that uses fmt for printing, bufio for input, and strings for manipulation. It also shows a custom function with multiple return values and the : declaration. In the next video, you will learn about variables, types, and constants. You will see how to declare variables with var and : You will also learn about zero values and iota. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.